Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing 3 remedies to get rid of dark neck. So let's head down to the video. Okay, so for the first remedy, it is an apple cider vinegar scrub. For this, you need to mix 1 part of apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of water. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of water. Once you're done mixing the ingredients, dip the mixture with a cotton pad and apply it on your neck for about 5 to 10 minutes. Apple cider vinegar is well known for its antibacterial properties, and it helps to restore the skin's pH balance that gets altered by sunburn or mild irritation. Make sure you leave this scrub on your neck for 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. If you have some trouble reaching the back of your neck, then you can ask for someone's help to help you apply the scrub on the back of your neck. The next remedy is a baking soda paste. For this, you will be needing 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of water. After you have mixed the ingredients well, you can use a cotton pad and apply it to your neck. After the paste has dried, you can scrub it off with your fingers and wash it off with lukewarm water. Baking soda has bleaching properties that help lighten and fade scars. You can even use baking soda with 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Baking soda is also a mild exfoliant that helps remove dead skin and cleans your pores. Besides that, baking soda also helps in lightening your elbows and your ankles. If you haven't watched my video on how to get rid of dark elbows and ankles, don't forget to check it out in the link below. The next remedy is an aloe vera scrub. For this, cut open the leaf of an aloe vera and extract its gel. You can use a cotton pad to apply this gel, or even use your fingers to rub it on your neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Aloe vera has lots of skin and health benefits that includes dark neck treatment. Aloe vera gel contains nutrition and antioxidant properties which help the skin to heal rapidly. Aloe vera gel is suitable for all skin types. To get quick results, use this remedy every day for 1 week. When the skin color of the neckline appears darker in comparison with the surrounding skin, we call it dark neck problem. Lack of proper cleaning is the most common reason that we develop dark neck problem. Some other factors that may cause a dark neckline include overexposure to the sun, effects of certain medications for a long time, hormonal dysfunction, overweight, and diabetes. So some of the tips to take good care of our neck is to clean our neck while bathing, apply sunscreen lotion on the neck to avoid sunburn, and massage any body oil to ensure good blood circulation around the neck area. Right guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, do like, subscribe and comment below if you would like to see me trying other face scrubs or face masks. Till then, have a nice day. Bye!